Hey everyone, Christian here again with a quick use case for Mason. So, how many times, as someone in the office or owner of business or bookkeeper, someone in finances, something like that has looked for, hey, what do we need to bill? What's ready? Well, to get you a really fast answer, instead of going through each project, looking through things, going on all the bills, running reports, use Mason. You can simply ask that question. What's ready to bill? I'm just going to ask Mason that question. I assume it's going to ask me which project I want to choose. So in this case, I can choose a specific project or I can choose all my jobs. So in this here, it has my three jobs. I'm going to say all of all my jobs. And then I'm just going to say all my billable items. So I'm going to send that in, gets that quick clarification from me, and then it's going to give me a report of what's ready. So we'll see that here in about 5-10 seconds. It's pretty quick. And then here we go. So each job, it just listed out what's ready to bill for me, exactly what that's coming from. There's another project there. If I don't have anything, I'm going to see nothing currently ready to bill on that job, and it's giving my totals and that quick breakdown. So don't overthink it. Just quickly ask Mason these questions and you're going to get some answers, and feel free to feed it more and more data to get you more information that you want to see, like what might be blocking you from getting a job done, where are you behind on budget, those types of things. But for my financial people, my bookkeepers, here's a quick feature that you can use. Please let us know if you have any questions. Reach out to your customer support coach, and we'd love to help. Thanks.